how to create a sticker on your iPhone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create a sticker on your iPhone. So the first step is to go on your Photos app. After you're on the Photos app, click on the picture that you want to make a sticker out of. After you're on the photo, click on the object of this photo that you want to make a sticker out of. After long pressing into this photo, you can see these options and tap on the middle one, Add Sticker. Once you've added the sticker, you can see all these options. Tap on the middle one again, Add Effect, and you can choose the effects that you want to make on your sticker. I'm going to go with the outline one. After that, press Done. Now you can add the stickers on your Messages app as well. To use it, click on your Messages app. Now tap the plus button at the bottom left of your screen. Tap on the stickers option, and now you can use your stickers on your iPhone.